Okay, in this quick guide, I'm just going to show you how to make some network changes. I've managed to bridge two LAN interfaces and lock myself out of a Sophos with an IP, and I don't have web access to it, and it's not in Sophos Central. So I've basically put the console port in. So there's a small little micro USB on the device that I've got and a USB on the other. I've connected that into a computer, and I've ended up with a USB serial port here called COM4. What I'm now going to do is just load an app called Putty and choose COM4 as my COM port, and the baud rate that you need in here is 38400, and open. This will normally take a couple of often a couple of just hits on the enter button to wake it up. If it asks you for a password, then that's the password you set up for the device. I'd already actually made a login here, which is why it's moaning. So I'm going to choose my network configuration, and I can go to interface configuration, and you'll see that you can then step through the various ports on here. So it'll then give us the option to whether you want to make any changes to this port, and hang on, then we can go through and choose another port as we actually go through this. So hopefully that shows you where to get in, and then you can actually just use the menu system to navigate around and make the changes that you actually want.